Have you ever run an Amazon sponsored products campaign but stopped because the performance wasn't what you expected? Well, if so, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll cover a few tips to help improve your current campaign's performance and show you fundamental adjustments that you can make to improve future ad campaigns. So tip number 1, make sure you are prepared before you start an Amazon sponsored products campaign. Let's cover a couple things within this tip so you understand what I mean by being prepared. First, only advertise in-season or non-seasonal products. For example, you shouldn't advertise your winter-related products in the spring and summer. Advertising winter-related products like winter gloves during the spring and summer will only lead to a low conversion rate and ultimately wasted ad spend. Second, it's important that you stock inventory at Amazon prior to launching your campaign to ensure you have enough units to last you until the end of the ad campaign. Otherwise, you may run out of stock before you get to finish your ad campaign. Lastly, only include products in the same category in one ad campaign. By doing so, you'll be able to interpret the results more accurately, and then you can also use this campaign for future products that are within that same category. I do this all the time with like category products, so I'm constantly improving my ad performance over time. More to come on this in our final tip here today. Tip number 2, make sure you have the right targeting, bidding, and campaign budget strategies implemented. This is where many beginner Amazon sellers usually go wrong since they often overlook the importance of these 3 strategies. So for targeting, there are actually 2 different types. There is automatic targeting and manual targeting. As a beginner Amazon seller, I recommend starting out with automatic targeting since it's quick and easy to set up. It'll allow you to optimize and help your ads match keywords and products similar to the products you're advertising. And best of all, Amazon will do this all for you. Manual targeting is the other method, but I only recommend using this once you have a few campaigns under your belt. This gives you more control over which keywords and products you target. I started out with automatic targeting when I first got started, and it's a great starting place. Now today, I primarily use manual targeting. Unless I need to create a quick and easy ad campaign, then I may resort to automatic targeting. All right, so targeting is one part of this equation, but now we need to discuss bidding. Bidding is the amount that you're willing to spend for a click of your ad. For less competitive and lower converting targets, this may be about 10 to 30 cents per click. However, for high converting and competitive targets, this could be well over $1 or even higher. For automatic targeting campaigns, I recommend using Amazon's suggested bid. If you're looking to win more ad space, then you can always increase this to the higher end of the suggested range. Amazon Ads also offers dynamic bidding strategies such as dynamic bids as well as role-based bidding. Now, my personal favorite is dynamic bids up and down, and let me tell you why. Dynamic bids up and down means that Amazon will increase your bids only when your ad will be more likely to convert a sale. On the other hand, it will also lower your bids when you're less likely to convert that sale. This has helped my business convert more sales at a lesser cost, and at the same time, I'm also spending less on those keywords and targets that have a low conversion rate. All right, the last part of this tip number 2 is to set a budget that works for you and your business. Amazon does a great job of providing a suggested daily budget, but keep in mind you are ultimately in control. I recommend setting a budget that's 10% of your expected revenue for your batch of products. So what do I mean by this? For example, if I was selling a product for $20 and I had 200 units to sell, I would set my total ad budget at $400 or $40 over a 10-day span. Always stay in control of your budget and don't let it get away from you. A pro tip that I want to share with you is to set schedule-based budget rules. This allows you to set budgets in advance for special events such as Prime Day and Halloween or during a date range of your choice. I use this for my golf products during major golf events like the Masters, US Open, and the PGA Championship when golf spending is very high. The third and final tip that I want to share with you today is to analyze and optimize your ad campaigns once it's up and running. I recommend monitoring key metrics like impressions, clicks, and sales at least twice a week so you know which areas you need to improve. Make sure you utilize all of the reporting capabilities Amazon has to offer to help you make the best decision about how to optimize your ad campaigns. Reports that will help you improve your ad campaigns include search term report, targeting report, advertising product report, performance over time report, and much, much more. You can find all of these by going to the ad console, click measurement and reporting, and then sponsored ads reports. My personal favorite that I use all the time for my business is the sponsored products placement report. I find this useful because it'll tell me how well my ad performed on product pages, off of Amazon, first listing page, and the rest of the search pages. From there, I can make changes to my campaign bid adjustments based on which ad placement has a higher chance of converting sales. I hope these tips have been useful, and now you're ready to optimize your sponsored products campaign in the advertising console. I also dropped a useful guide directly from Amazon with more insights in the description. Make sure to comment below if you have any other helpful tips that you want to share with the audience.